Kick and Checkmates, Final Vixen, and Slim Machete.
What's up, guys?
Here at Wrapsesh. This week we're going to be showcasing a wrap bucket lister, the Awesome Blossom, which is a McLaren 600LT stuff and things. And tell them about it.
Well,
give me a summary. What did we do on it?
We did olive green. I think it's called khaki green or olive green.
Super gloss army green.
Army green. My bad.
From Inozetek.
From Inozetek or Inozetek.
Yes.
And then we also used some Oracal reflective film to throw the orange blossoms down the side.
Cherry blossoms. Yep.
Cherry blossoms.
Not
down the side of the car.
Blossoms.
Yeah, those are pink.
So it was actually an asymmetrical design, so there was a lot more blossoms on the driver's side versus the passenger side, and we used that reflective film as a nice little touch. And then we did the door jambs. Now the door jambs are really interesting because we used in an Inozetek film the super gloss metallic silver. And when we approached Inozetek about this job, we told them we wanted to print on their silver for the door jambs, and they're like, oh no, you can't do that, you can't do that.
No.
Hold my beer. Challenge accepted. We get that a lot. I feel like when we propose jobs to like sponsors and companies.
Well, it's just because I don't know if it's ever been done before.
No, I don't think it has, at least on not their part.
So?
Not anyone that I've seen that's
we
done
wanted
that.
to try it.
But you really can't push the limits unless you push the limits. So to do better, you really have to push
and we didn't just like print
it
and throw it on this car and hope for the best. We actually did some tests beforehand.
Like months.
Yeah. So we did actually test the film. We printed on it, put it outside, tested it. Yeah, so on and so forth.
So we did successfully print on our Muto 1682 SR dual head eco-solvent printer on this gloss Inozetek film. And then we did a whole lot of clear bra using S-Tech Dyno clear bra.
Yes.
And I think that's everything, right? Besides our little Easter eggs.
Oh yeah,
the baby Yodis.
There's some baby Yodas in the door jam.
Yeah, they were cute.
She wanted them like a little floating right there.
So check it out. We hope you guys enjoy. guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our awesome Blossom McLaren 600LT. Shout out to our customer Holly from Phoenix Driven. She's this cute, tiny little Asian girl that races bikes and has lots of really cool cars, and she was just so much fun to work with.
She's a very humble person. Definitely all very easy to work with. She was super chill.
Yes, we loved her. Shout out to Ice Performance, Jack, for sending us the awesome client referral.
Thanks, buddy.
Of course, Inozetek, as well as S-Tech for all of the films.
The films.
And yeah.
And Oracal.
Oh, and Oracal.
Yeah.
All right.
Missed that one.
And if you guys want to go above and beyond with an overwrap fantastic project, please make sure to email us at wrapseshiv@gmail.com. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe.
Oh yeah.
I'll see you guys next week.
Later.
Ow! Something stabbed me.
It's your belt. You got pointy things everywhere.
I got a new bag. It's too small.